In this video, I will show you how to open multiple YouTube channels with one Google account. First, head over to youtube.com. Once you're on the homepage, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From here, you can either go into YouTube Studio or directly into Settings. Both options lead you to the same place, so choose whichever you prefer. If you open YouTube Studio, just press Continue until it loads fully. Once YouTube Studio opens, look at the bottom left corner and click on Settings. Next, go to the Channel tab, then click on Advanced Settings. Scroll down a little until you see an option that says Manage my Google account/YouTube account. Go ahead and open that. You'll now be taken to another page. Here, look for the section labeled Your YouTube Channel. Under that, you'll see an option called Add or Manage Your Channels. Click on it, and you'll find a button that says Create a Channel. Click Create a Channel, and now you just need to enter a name for your new YouTube channel. You can write anything you like, for example, XYZ, or anything you prefer. Don't worry, you can always change the name later. Once you're happy with it, simply press Create. YouTube will now automatically set up your new channel and take you straight to it. If for some reason your account doesn't switch automatically, just click your profile icon again, choose Switch Account, and select your newly created channel. And that's it. You've successfully created multiple YouTube channels using the same Google account.